Tacoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Toyota, please help me subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2014 Toyota Tacoma. So right now the problem is with the AC. It's not blowing at a certain speed. So right now I have the key on, and I put it on low. There's nothing coming out of the vent. On the next speed, there's a little bit of air. The next one, there's air coming out. High speed works also, but at the very low speed, there's no air at all. So I went to check it out. Is the blow motor resistor issue. Now I bought the part for it. This is the part number for the blow motor resistor, and it comes with the connector here too. And when I take out the blow motor resistor, I can see on this pin right here is slightly burnt, so that's what causing the blow motor speed not to work properly at the low speed. And earlier I checked it again on the control unit. At the low speed doesn't work, at the next speed it doesn't work. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So I found out the connector was bad, so I had to order it and replace it. So the resistor is located right here, the blow motor is right here. Now I took out the old resistor, and I don't know what this look burnt right here. This resistor, this part right here looks burnt, and there's black mark everywhere. This is bad also, that black mark. So I'm gonna be replacing the connector also. I'm gonna cut the original connector one by one and crimp it together one by one. The bolt that's holding on to the resistor is a 5.5 millimeter to take it out. And now I'm just gonna replace it with the new one, and then put in my new connector. You can see the old one, this part is burnt. You can see this piece right here, little piece right there. This is the new one, shiny and clean. And the connector, I did them one by one and got it crimped. If you get the blow motor resistor part, the connector comes with the crimping piece too. And you can see the old connector, this part right here, slightly burnt, and you can see it changes color. So I put everything back already. I put the new resistor in. I taped it up, the crimp part. Now I'm gonna check the AC. Let's turn on the car. So it's on off. Yep, there's air coming out now. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if you guys can hear it. You can hear it, so air coming out. Yeah. On the higher speed works also. On the higher speed works also too. So pretty good. That's it. On the high speed works pretty good. All right, that's it, guys. So just a blow motor resistor replaced for this car. You guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. Peace.